like on it. Yeah, the volume might seem a bit low today, guys, because I haven't got the external mic on. We've been shite weather. This is the nicest it's been all day. It's brightening up a little bit, but it's still very wet. It's still like fine rain. Yeah, it's definitely a shitty day today. But I think we'll still have a little, well, like I say, we've got a Asda. I'll turn that on. Yeah, we'll go to Asda, but what time is it? Oh, it's 20 to 3. So, well, that might have half an hour. Like near Riverside. I didn't think that van was going to stop at that junction then. That's why as well I'm glad I always have the GoPro on, because it does help in situations like that. I mean, obviously it don't happen there, but obviously it could have pulled right out and knocked me off. Always enjoyable being out on bike, even if it is shite weather like this. Traffic setting off, so I'll just wait here. I'll say fucking hell, if they ever get moving I will. So like I say, we'll go to Asda and see if there's any squirrels or wood pigeons about on the side of that river bit. Right, cheers. There was plenty of the fight entertainment on last night, wasn't there? There was that on UFC, top guy Tom Aspinall. He can demolish that bloke, didn't he, in quick time. He's ranked third in the world as well, that bloke, he's no joke. That one that Aspinall was fighting, but fucking hell, he knocked him out. Was it the first minute? It was definitely the first round. He did proper well. And then on amateur side bit, a lad called the Swan. He's got a lot of heart, but he's just not that good a fighter. I mean, he's always getting ringing, he's in good shape and that. But
no, Allah, we don't do yesterday and
idiot. But yeah, on amateur side of it, there was yeah, the Swan. You know, I lost my train of thought there. And he was fighting a lad called Benacci. Now Benacci had battered him at last fight, but this fight, the Swan beat him. Had him down with a couple of body blows. So I was buzzing for him there. And then there was that fucking non-swell. I don't know if nonce is a bit strong like, but fucking well saying that though, I said what he said. That fucking Tyrone Booth. No, not Tyrone, Tyron. No, Tyan I think it is, Tyan Booth. He used to be a bit of a boxer, and he had his comeback last night in like an amateur thing. What a fucking load of shite. He knew he was outclassed. There was on about, oh, that lad went down and he didn't get a count. Well, he didn't get a count because the fucking referee was too busy having to sort Tyrone out. Tyan out. Whatever his fucking name is, Booth we'll call him. He was having to spend his time sorting him out because he was acting like a right prick. And in end, Booth, he ended up walking out that ring because he knew the bloke were battering him, and he didn't like getting told off the ref that he was basically being a dick. Let's have a quick look down there actually. And then yeah, he ended up storming out that ring in end. That bloke was a lot better than him, like, but he's a right mouthy prick, that Tyan Booth. And for you who don't know who he is, I mean, some people might like him, I don't. On account of what he said about a young girl. And when I say young, I think he's like 3 or 4 year old or something, maybe 2 year old. It's a lad called Coogan Cassius or something he's called. And that Booth lad had a fallout with him. And then decided it was appropriate on his podcast to start talking sexually about his young child. About the other guy's young child. Sorry about that, guys, I have to wipe the lens. See what's down here. A lot of driftwood. Alright for people with wood burn as well. We've got a wood burner, I'll just turn that off a minute. But chopping the wood fucks me up nowadays, so we don't use it. Even though I'll be going far from mine, just in case I wander a tiny bit. Just pop that alarm on. But yeah, so that Tyan Booth, he didn't have a good fight. And like I say, in my head, in my mind, he's a fucking prick. I mean, I don't know him personally, some people might be like, oh, he's sound. But in my mind, sometimes you say that about a young kid, then just shows the way your mind works. Even if you have had a big fallout with someone, you don't start saying that. There might be a wood pigeon up here just in tree, so I'll just have a little bit of a look. Has it just flown off? Those are all bastards. Yeah, bastard it has. It's just up there. But like I said, shouldn't be going too far away from banking now, not round here. A little squeeze top stash tub. That's ideal to put some lead balls in. Do like a bit of a river comb. I've done it since I was a kid actually. Well, maybe a bit after that, but definitely not. I think I've done a lot of recently. All sorts of things. I've had a bit more time and have a bigger look. Will go off soon. It's on the record for some reason in batches of 17 minutes and 25 seconds. I'm going to have to check on the settings. That's normal. But yeah, I thought we'd have a little bit of a walk down the riverside. So there. Actually, next time though, we'll have a bit of a better look. Right, I'll see you later, guys. Have a good one.